It's me again. What's new? Serrated knives. What's new? I was toying with it today, and when life gives you lemons, this is what you. Well, or today life didn't give me lemons, but when life does give you lemons, or it doesn't, like me, I was playing around with a machine today, and I'll show you what life gave me. Oh, this is in my bag back here. Brought some tools to my house, so this thing is a bicycle wrench in there. It's a bicycle ratchet. Oh no, it's a skateboard wrench. That's what it is. Skateboard wrench. I even used, I used a Vera wrench, or a Vera wrench, whatever it's called. But anyway, when life gives you lemons, give it an old dryer motor. Look at that. I managed to scrap the dryer motor. I'm going to attempt to take this apart. I might have to cut it up with a grinder, but oh wait a minute, I have a bandsaw. Portaband. So anyway, I kept all the copper. If you're wondering why I kept the copper, because in the summer I'm building a smelter. I'm going to smelt our copper. And I have a little stash of copper I'm keeping, like, see, like these things have copper in them. How am I getting all the plastic off? Simple. Fire. Big, giant metal container with a fire in it. Burn it all. Even used an old wrench. Let me throw this on the floor here for now. Get all this out of the bag. And so yeah, what do you call it? I had to take apart a dryer. I didn't have to. I could have just threw it down the stairs. But when you're when you get to a certain age, I can actually say that now. But when you get to a certain age in life, you're supposed to work smarter and not harder, because basically you've already killed half the bones in your body. So yeah, with the thought process of work harder or work smarter, not harder, I figured it's easier to get a dryer out of my house if I dismantle the whole thing. So in 4 trips, instead of one big giant one of me falling down the stairs and killing myself, middle winter, I took the entire dryer in pieces. The really cool thing is there's just like this big round tub. It looks like a Lego head from a Lego figure. And I was like, I should like put a piece of sheet metal on it and then make a big giant like Lego man out of it. But I don't really want it. So yeah, I'm gonna, what do you call it? I'm thinking right now, I'm gonna bandsaw this thing, this motor apart. I'll show you what I got on my bench here. I moved the camera higher just to see how the hell it'd work. And it looks like I gotta move this way. A little more adjustment here. Hold on, folks. Stay tuned. We're fixing this as we on the fly here. My camera mount's it works pretty good. It's got, it's got a few bugs. Yeah, my bench is actually a freaking mess. What do I call it? I found my other little, I bought this at Harbor Freight. It's one of those pin wrenches. It works pretty good. Here's my claw thing, but I can't find the other one. What the hell? Oh, no, there is. Oh, I gotta buy another square cup for the end. When I originally ordered 2 of them, the what do you call it? Amazon lost one in the mail, so there goes that one. All right, let's see. How in Z world does this thing come apart? Oh, there's like a pin in there. It's like pinned in. Looks like we're gonna chop this sucker. I don't even know how that's on there. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut it open, just for the fun of it. It looks like there's no real decent bearings or anything in here. What is that? That looks like a, I don't know what the hell this is. Is that a torque? I don't know. We're gonna go put it on the bandsaw and see what happens. See what happens on the band. I had to literally rip the fan off because there's no real way to, I think it's just permanently on there. So I took that off, and yeah. What a concept, an open motor, right? They put it inside. And what gets in it? This thing was clogged with dryer fluff. I completely fluffed. Schnuffaluffa fluff again. Let me get another Torx here. We'll take this off. This way, more room. More room. come on, right? Torquey, where are you? Bigger one, bigger. That's over here. Too big. Too big. That one, yeah. That one might be it. Is it this one? What the hell? That's not it. That's not that one. No, not that one. I have some really, really old snap-on, what do you call it, screwdrivers with the blaze orange handles. Yeah, I'm just taking a cop route, having fun. I was supposed to do work on other stuff, but I got an hour to kill, and once I set up all the equipment and all that shit and get ready, it's just like time to go. So, figure, and I was in here last night just messing around, just like, boom, boom, boom. Everyone else has like these crazy projects and all kinds of ideas. I just like doing stuff. I mean, why not? So if you're out there and you want to make a YouTube channel, some people like watching people do stuff. It's not all about that project. It's all about keeping yourself sane and doing stuff that you like to do. This is weird. It's like the clip to go in the motor here. Come on, get off there. What's in this thing? It's the connector. It's a pretty wild connector. It's a, I don't know if thingamajiggy bob or whatever. It's a pretty weird Vinnie Barbarino thing. So anyway, let me stop this. I'll turn the camera on. Maybe, or I'll just skip it and I'll add it in here. So hold on. Everybody's already seen a bandsaw, so I'm just gonna come back with all the junk. Hello, folks. It's me again. All the freaking metal dust out of me. That's why I'm always getting splinters. Shit out of here. Okay, editor, film editor. Remember to edit this. Probably leave it in there, Christ. What did I do? I took the bandsaw and I nipped one end off, nipped the other end off, and this shit. Come on, I'll put that over there. See, I just cut the thing off. This metal is like scrappy dappy, man. Like, it is junk. What is this? Some kind of metal cover. I keep life interesting. Is this gonna come off? Is this one of those things that doesn't come off? This part, it's weird. There's like some weird, like, is it bearing in there? No. And this should come out. Should. There we go. Da, 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 da. There's always weird pieces in here. Oh, it's got that little like, what is it? I seen a guy on YouTube make this thing, and I forget which channel it is. When it spins, it has like a, I don't know what to call it. The motor spins, and this thing goes, I don't know if it's out or in or whatever, and it basically turns this, flicks one of the switches on. Yeah, see, it goes out like that. Anyway, I'm gonna disconnect it. Ta-da, ta-da. Somehow, I disconnect it. Let's see. There we go. Ta-da, ta-da. Taking apart the motor. See, look at this. This is what's crazy. These open motors in a dryer. Let me get this off here. I'll show you. Come on. Oh my God. Look at all of the dryer lint. Because that's supposed to be good for a motor, huh? I guess. Maybe not. Who knows? Why is that not coming off? Look. Dryer lint. Yummy. So anyway. I don't know how to get all this shit on here without breaking that crap. Anyway. This part, I will maybe go cut it in pieces and see what happens. Cut it up like a samurai. right back. I'll show you my little copper thing here. Yep, it's me again. What I did is I took the motor apart like so, and well, how am I gonna get all this copper off? I have no idea. But clearly it's, I don't know. It's kind of fun having a bandsaw because then I can just chop stuff. This should come out. Should. So anyway, you see what the bandsaw does? Just keep this apart. Throw it in my copper pile and see what happens. I could just cut all this off. That would make it easier, but what's the point, right? I'll throw this in my vat of copper over there and it should be done. Yeah, it's weird how to use a whole bunch of plates. And, this is cool. Looks like something out of a spaceship. Yeah, some sci-fi crap. Oh, yeah, garbage. These things, I just chuck them in the garbage. Probably could use them for some, but you know what? I don't use for it. Trash. Copper is good for more. Copper is good for more. This is neat. I don't know if this is screwed on or what. I should find out. Let me check here. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Let's have some fun with this. It looks like a little goblet. Not a goblet. You know, like is that word? Yeah, goblet. Little tiny Cheers mini Stanley Cup. I don't know what you want to call it. Why the hell won't this goddamn thing fit? There we go. Look at that. Ta-da! Come on. There we go. It looks like a little, I don't know, ice cream bowl. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, good to my kids. They'll play with that. Okay, that's trash. Trash. Wires. The little goblet. That's no good. Laundry fucking shit. Oop. I swore. Sorry. That's trash. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my weird videos. Thanks for watching.